Hey guys, it's Heidi. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I am going to be making cinnamon banana bread muffins. They are super yummy and really easy to make. I have some bananas that are getting a little ripe that I need to use up, so it's a perfect time to use them in this recipe. So I figured I'd take you guys along while I bake these and give you the recipe for you to try. So without further ado, let's get started.
Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes
To make these cinnamon banana bread muffins, you will need baking soda, vegetable oil, 2 ripe bananas, butter, ground cinnamon, salt, vanilla extract, flour and sugar, and eggs.
goes down and the night sky's falling. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down.
Take your nonstick spray and grease every muffin cup inside of your muffin pan. That way they don't stick when you try to take them out. Now you are going to mix the ingredients. Start off with 2/3 cup of sugar. Then go ahead and add 1/2 cup of vegetable or canola oil. Proceed to crack 2 large eggs into the bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then go ahead and stir those ingredients together, and then we'll move on to the next ones.
Was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky.
Then you are going to take your 2 ripe bananas, mash them with a fork, put them in the bowl, and stir it up.
After all these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out.
Now you are going to add your dry ingredients. Add 1 2/3 cup of flour to the mixture.
We have come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now.
Then you are going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, following along with 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
To have a good time. Now my life's an adventure.
Stir the mixture until well combined.
Far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never.
Take the mixed batter and fill each muffin cup evenly with batter about 3/4 of the way full.
Just us two,
To make the topping for the cinnamon banana bread muffins, take 3 tablespoons of butter, melt it in a bowl. On a separate plate, take 1/4 cup of sugar, mix it with 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, dip the top of the muffin into the melted butter, and coat it in the cinnamon sugar topping. And there we go. They look so delicious. Turned out awesome. I hope you guys liked the video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you tried this recipe and how it turned out for you. And let me know if there's anything in particular you'd like to see on my channel. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye!